plant versus animal. Related to this, one question is here. We'll see. A plant differs from an animal mainly in, options are here: protoplasm, vital activity, nutrition, reproduction. So you have 5 seconds to give correct answer. Now we will see the correct answer. Protoplasm is wrong. Vital activity is wrong. Correct answer is nutrition. Reproduction is also wrong. C. Protoplasm is found in both plant and animal. Plant and animal both show vital activity. Reproduction is also found in both plant and animals. Nutrition is different in both. In plant it is photosynthetic, it is autotrophic, while in animal it is heterotrophic. Same thing in explanation we can see here. Plants show autotrophic nutrition, means they are capable to synthesize their own food. And why it happens? Because of photosynthesis. In plants, leaves possess chlorophyll, and due to presence of chlorophyll they are capable to make their own food, while animal take food from plant or from other animals. Animals can't synthesize their own food because they don't have chlorophyll. Exobiology or astrobiology. Related one question is here, we will see. So what is exobiology or astrobiology? Question is, exobiology refers to the study of what? Options are here: life on other planets, life in the air, terrestrial organisms, or anatomy. You have 5 seconds to give the correct answer. Please pause the video and give the answer in the comment section. When you try to give answer, always follow exclusion method. In these 4 options, first eliminate the wrong answer, so you will reach to the correct answer. Now we will see the correct answer. First option itself is correct answer. So exobiology or astrobiology is nothing but it is study of life on other planets. Rest 3 options are wrong answer. So same thing in explanation we can see. Exobiology or astrobiology deals with the possibility of life on other planets or in space, in universe. See, astrology. So this is sun, and these are planets orbiting around sun. Exo means outside, external. So with that you can correlate. Try to correlate this term with this our solar system. So you will not forget the answer. Astrology, astrobiology, biology in space.